Hello grade 12s and welcome to the first lesson of technical mathematics for term 1 week 5. Right now we're going to be looking at the points of intersection of a circle and a straight line. Here we go. So the important information that you need to know is I need you to revise the terminology. Okay? Remember that a radius is a straight line from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference. Remember, the circumference is the boundary line of the circle or the perimeter of a circle. A tangent is a straight line that makes contact with a circle at one point on the circumference. So a tangent touches the circle at one point only. A secant is a straight line that makes contact with a circle at two different points on the circumference. So a secant is a straight line that touches the circle at 2 points. Now, when given a circle and a straight line graph, there are three possibilities. You can either have one ordered pair, two ordered pairs, or no ordered pair. Now, when you have one ordered pair, the straight line touches the circle once, meaning it is a tangent. Okay. When you have two ordered pairs, the straight line cuts the circle twice, meaning it's a secant. And when you have no ordered pair, the straight line completely misses the circle. It means they do not intersect or touch. Please take that down. I modified this from Western Cape Government Educational Guidelines. Number 1 asks, what do we call a straight line that cuts a circle at one point only? Remember, a straight line that cuts a circle at one point only is a tangent. Okay. Number 2 asks, what do we call a straight line that cuts a circle at two distinct points? Distinct means different, so two different points is a secant. Number 3 states, determine the coordinates of the points of intersection in each of the following, and then state whether the straight line is a tangent, circle, or neither. 3.1, x squared plus y squared is equal to 25, and y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 25 over 4. So, now you use the method of simultaneous equations, right? So we know this is already equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. So we are simply going to substitute equation number 2 into equation number 1. Okay, where there's y we put 3 over 4x minus 25 over 4. So x squared plus 3 over 4x minus 25 over 4 is equal to 25. So we have x squared 3 over 4x squared is 9 over 16x squared plus 9 over 16x squared. Their product times 2. So it's going to be 2 times 3 over 4, 25 over 4. Actually negative 25 over 4. My mistake. Negative 75 over 8x. And then negative 25 over 4 times negative 25 over 4. Positive. What is 25 squared? 625. 625 over 16. 25 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 25 is equal to 0. Like terms, x squared plus 9 over 16, 1 plus 9 over 16, 25 over 16x, 16x squared minus 75 over 8x, 625 over 16 minus 25, 225 over 16 plus 225 over 16 is equal to 0. Multiply everything by 16 to make it simple. So we have 25x squared negative 75 over 8 times 16, negative 150 x, and then plus 225 times 16 is 225. 0 times 16 is 0. Now common factor is 25, so we are going to have x squared minus let me see, 150 divided by 25, 6x plus 225 divided by 25, you get 9. 0. Quadratic trinomial, you can is equal to 0, x. So this is a perfect square trinomial. 3, 3 negative, negative. So we have x minus 3 squared is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is 3. And then we substitute x into, which is the simpler one, is equation number 2. So we have y is equal to 3 over 4 times 3 minus 25 over 4. 9 over 4 minus 25 over 4. 9 minus 25 is negative 16 over 4, which is negative 4. Therefore, the point of contact is x is 3, y is negative 4. So, the straight line is a tangent. Right, hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. I know that those may have been a lot of steps, but please grin and bear with it. Right, 3.2 we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 289, and f of x is equal to 3 over 5x minus 51 over 5. Once again, this is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. And you know that this is simply y. Okay, so we substitute equation number 2 into equation number 1. So we have x squared plus 3 over 5x minus 51 over 5 squared is equal to 289. Okay, so we have x squared 3 over 5 squared is 9 over 25x squared, and then their product times 2. So 2 times 3 over 5 times negative 51 over 5. Negative 3 is 6 over 25 x, right? Then we have negative 51 over 5 squared plus 206 plus 2601 over 25 minus 289 is equal to 0. Right, simplifying it, x squared plus 9 over 25, 25 plus 9 is, okay, 34 over 25, so 34 over 25 x squared minus 306 over 25, and then 2601 over 25 minus 289 minus 4624 over 25 is equal to 0. Okay, we're going to multiply everything by 25 to make things simpler. So we're simplifying it. We have 34 x squared minus 306x minus 4624 being equal to 0. We're going to use the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus, what is b? Negative 306 plus minus square root of b is negative 306 squared minus 4 A is 34, C is negative 4624 all over 2, A is 34. So we start with negative minus square root of 4624, 2 times 34. X is negative 8. So therefore X is negative 8, or X is, we go to plus 17. And then which one is the easier equation? Equation number 2, it's a straight line. Then substitute X into equation number 2. So f of negative 8 is negative 3 over 5x minus 51 over 5. Negative 3 over 5. Negative 8 minus 51 over 5. Negative 27 over 5. Wow. Okay. Then f of 17 is negative 3 over 5. 17 minus 51 over 5. Negative 102 over 5. Two points. Therefore, f of x is a second. Right? Now we already did this in the straight line. So positive square root of 289 minus x is, what is it? Negative 8. — 15. Please, I have to check this. Please, I'm beginning to suspect that I may have made a mistake somewhere. Please grin and bear with it. (3.3) x squared plus y squared is equal to 1369, and y is equal to 12 over 35x plus 1369 over 35. So firstly, this is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. Right? Substitute equation number 2 into equation number 1. Okay. So we have x squared plus 12 over 35x plus 1369 over 35 squared. 1369. Over 35 squared, 144 over 1225, so it's going to be x squared plus 144 over 1225x squared plus their product times 2 oh my 2 times 12 times 1369 32856 35 times 35 1225 x oh my plus 1369 squared 1874161 over 35 squared is 1225 minus 1369 is equal to 0. X squared plus this so we have 1369 over 1225 x squared plus 32856 over 1225x 1874161 over 1225 minus 1369 so it's going to be 1874161 minus 1369 times 1225 197136 over 1225 being 0. Letting go of the 1225, it's 1369 x squared plus 32856x plus 197136 being 0. 32856 divided by 1369 24 197 136 144. So this can be further simplified to x squared plus 24x plus 144 is equal to 0. X 12 positive. So we have x plus 12 squared being 0. So x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore x is negative 12. Alright, we are going to substitute x into equation number 2. So y is equal to 12 over 35 times 12 plus 1369 over 35. What? 1513 over 35. So 1 point, therefore tangent. Okay, hope that was clear and I hope that makes sense. I know that was a bit too hard. Please grin and bear with it. Alright, 3.4 we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 36 and g of x is equal to negative x minus 7. So once again, this is going to be equation number 1 and this is going to be equation number 2. Then we substitute and we know that g of x is just y. So once again we substitute equation number 2 into equation number 1. So that is why we put negative x minus 7. So it's going to be x squared plus negative x minus 7 squared is equal to 36. Fairly straightforward. So we have x squared, negative x times negative x, positive x squared, negative x times negative 7 times 2, negative times negative positive, x times 77x times 2, positive 14x. Negative 7 times negative 7 plus 49 minus 36 is 0. X squared plus x squared is 2x squared plus 14x plus 49. A is 2, B is 14, C is 49. So x is equal to minus 14 plus minus 14 squared minus 4. A is 2, C is 49. All over 2 times 2. Math error. No solution. And let's see what the discriminant is. Delta is b squared, which is 14 squared minus 4. A is 2, C is 49. Negative 196, which is less than 0, right? So therefore, g of x is neither a tangent nor a secant. Okay, hope that is clear and I hope that makes sense. Now I just want to check, what is this? The other one, which one? 3.2. Looks pretty accurate. Looks pretty accurate. Negative 8 once again. -17. It's 3 over 5x minus 51 over 5. That's where my mistake was. So this is not there. For 3.2, this is not there. My mistake. Now I see. So it's 3 over 5 negative 8 minus 51 over 5. Negative 15, you see now. And then 3 over 5 times 17, 0. So the first point is negative 8 and negative 15. The second point is 17 and 0. 2 points, so the f of x is a second. Even though the final answer is correct, I made mistakes, so please forgive me. For 3.2, when x is negative 8, y is negative 15, and then when x is 17, y is 0. Okay, so your points are, I should write them down. And hope that is clear, and I hope that makes sense. Yeah, this one is just 1 point, so it makes sense. It's a tangent. This one is neither. Right? I hope that wasn't too challenging. Okay, before I go away, in an exam you may be asked to find the radius of a circle. For example, here you know the circle is x squared plus y squared is 25. The radius is r. The general formula is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So r is the square root of. So here, if you are asked to find the radius, r is 5 units. And then here, if you are asked to find the radius, square root of 289. So r is 17 units. Right? And then here, square root of 1369. R is 37 units. And then here, so R is 6 units. My mistake, I forgot to insert the general formula of a circle. Nonetheless, if you found this video helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again.